Here at William Penn Roofing, we like to only use the best products. This is an ultimate lifetime pipe collar made of silicone and stainless steel. Here we have Christian, the head mechanic, putting on one of these pipe collars. Observe how he's taking Dawn dish detergent and making it so the pipe collar is able to slide easily over the 3-inch PVC Schedule 40 pipe. We will then apply a few nails around the perimeter of the stainless steel pipe collar, followed by ice shield. The stainless steel will be covered around the perimeter in ice shield. 3 strips will be cut. One will be put on the left and on the right, and then again on the top. You can see him take care of the right side, followed by the left side. Ice and water shield is a great protectant to put around all pipe collars, chimneys, and perimeter edge. After this has been installed, he will then go ahead and install the shingles around the pipe collar. Observe. As he lines it up, secures the shingle, and then systematically, with a hook blade, cuts the shingle to size. And careful as to not cut yourself or damage the silicone pipe collar. For all your roofing needs, reach out to William Penn Roofing at 215 WPR Roof or visit the website williampennroofing.com. In fact, you can even stop by our facility, speak with one of the sales agents at 1795 South Easton Road, located in Doylestown.